Okay, so we're now into November's monthly delivery for supplements and goodies from MuscleNation, and I know there's going to be some new stuff in here which is going to be dope. I laugh already because they've got new bum bag range, and MuscleNation do a thing called Leopard Print Friday, and I don't have anything leopard print, so I have now got a leopard print bag, A-frame MuscleNation cap, which might come useful when I go to Dubai in December, probably not so much when it's cold or raining outside. This is the Destiny Fat Burner, so that is mango pineapple flavours. I haven't tried this yet. I've tried the old version of Destiny, which is completely sold out. This is superb pre-cardio to use as an extra caffeine hit. It's a big recommendation for that. So I think there's one other flavour I've got as well. Passion fruit, so passion fruit and mango, pineapple, very tropical, so we'll give those a go. It's good now that I'm actually on my Secret Santa shred mission to get lean, so that'll help. Creatine monohydrate, again, the most used supplement and actually works. That's cool. So one of my favourite things about MuscleNation with the flavouring ranges is it's very different and unique, so not just chocolate, strawberry, vanilla. So I've never ever seen a flavour this. So that's coconut caramel. So that's the whey isolate, and as everyone should know, whey isolate is the highest quality protein you can get, and this has got estrogen in it, which again helps with digestion. And then we've got caramel popcorn, which is an old school MuscleNation flavour, which I haven't had for a while. That again is a very unique flavour. Don't think you'll ever see that with any other brand. So this is in the last video I specifically requested, because I know they haven't really got many of these left. So this is Hattie Boydell's chocolate hazelnut. It's absolutely insane, and that's probably my second favourite flavour after the chocolate honeycomb whey isolate from MuscleNation. And then we've got, ooh, that's different, I didn't even know about this. So the MuscleNation Custard, I've got a video review on this, so if you click the link above, we'll explain a little bit more about this, but this is a new flavour, chocolate banana, which sounds quite delightful. I'm sure you can make some creative things with that, so that'll be pretty banging, I'm sure. Again, talking about like different flavour ranges. If you've got chocolate banana, which is that chocolate hazelnut, caramel popcorn, coconut caramel, so that's very different flavours than you normally get. MuscleNation shaker, MuscleNation leopard print t-shirt. I get to join in, is it a t-shirt or is it a vest? This one now. Get to join in with casual tee, leopard print Fridays. It's a bit leery, so Australians like leery stuff. I don't know how that goes down in the UK, but I will wear it. I like stuff like that. And to add to the jazzy leopard print theme, I've got a new bag. Leopard print bags. We are now fully kitted out. Leopard print hold all. This bad boy. That's pretty legit. Leopard print hold all. What I like about these bags, I'll show you, is that within the bag, it's got like meshing and netting like there, so you can actually like put stuff in. It's not just like a complete mess in there. And you've also got a zip pocket there, so I always put like my wedding ring there, keys, stuff like that, and then I slide down the end of my phone and wallet, so it's easy access. But this is this month's stock up from MuscleNation. I'd highly recommend it. If you guys have any questions on any of the range, anything at all, if you want to get involved in the leopard print life, because I've got that. All I need now is some leopard print tights, and I'm fully kitted out. So MuscleNation needs to make that. If you guys want to get any of the MuscleNation range, use the code Charlie, it'll give you 10% off. Highly recommend all of the products. If you've got any questions on any of them, please drop a comment below. But I'm very much excited to try some of these new flavours. Chocolate banana custard, coconut caramel, and that one I already have tried, which is banging it out. So exciting stuff. It's like Christmas every month. So thank you very much, MuscleNation. Check this stuff out, guys, and drop me a comment if you've got any questions.